We are so lucky to be based in this historic setting, which has been used for Catholic education for over 350 years. Sacred Heart Sixth Form builds on everything that is so unique about the school.
We are proud to be part of an international network of Sacred Heart schools, set up by the Society of the Sacred Heart to promote the education of women. The Society is an independent Catholic order, made up of forward-thinking, strong women who were pioneers for the education of girls and continue to inspire our students today. We value intellect, recognise the importance of individuals, and continually foster our students' confidence and sense of social responsibility.
We're an all-girls sixth form, and proudly so. Girls here can develop confidence at their own pace and without any gender bias limiting their outlook. We provide a wide range of leadership opportunities and foster self-belief to promote innovation.
Research shows how students in co-ed settings revert to gender stereotypes, and those from all-girls schools develop greater confidence and feel better prepared for university. This is about women's empowerment.
We are once again Ofsted Outstanding, following an inspection at the end of 2023, with nothing identified for further improvement. But we always strive to do better. We deliver training programmes both for our own staff and for those at other schools. We are a world-class, high-performance learning school, but it's more than just about labels and recognition.
Our focus is on you as individuals. There's something very special about the staff and student relationship at Sacred Heart Sixth Form. Our class sizes are relatively small, creating scope for proper discussions where everyone is heard. Each student is known for who they are and how they individually learn best. We provide one-to-one tailored support.
We have a strong academic offering with pure A-levels in all the traditional sciences, humanities and arts, including classics. But we also recognise and value the different strengths of individuals and are proud to also offer more practical university recognised courses such as applied science and business.
We provide so many opportunities for our young women to gain confidence in speaking up. We have an active public speaking programme and debate club. We take part in university debate competitions in London and further afield.
I'm a senior prefect and I'm also a diversity and inclusion ambassador and a wellbeing ambassador. In these roles, I've led assemblies and spoken with parents about the support we offer students in school. I'm going to refer to all these experiences in my personal statement.
We nurture artistic expression, risk-taking and flair through the creative process that fosters students to be confident young people, ready to contribute positively to society.
Our teachers encourage us to think critically, be open to different perspectives, and come to our own conclusions about the world around us without any pressure to conform.
Teachers here treat you as an adult and as your own person. They walk alongside us and tell us it's okay to make mistakes. That can be a good way to learn.
Sacred Heart has a well-earned reputation for the care and pastoral support it gives to all of its students, and the sixth form is no different. We expect a lot from our sixth formers, but in return we make sure that every one of them is well supported by their tutor, their head of year, and the pastoral support team. And if things do become tough, we have a dedicated team of qualified counsellors to support the good mental health of our whole community.
Staff here are always open to listening if you have a problem. Even if you're just looking a bit upset, teachers will actually approach you to see if you're okay.
We deliver a really extensive programme of support, which allows all of our students to experience the wide range of career and education pathways available to them once they move on from Sacred Heart. We have strong partnerships with universities, offer a wide range of enrichment opportunities, and our extensive alumni network allows us to bring in a wealth of amazing speakers from across a wide spectrum of careers. No student will leave Sacred Heart without a clear vision of the next steps towards their amazing future careers.
One of the most rewarding parts of my job as head of sixth form is to see each of our sixth formers grow through their life journey with us, as they begin to make choices for their future and see the results of these materialising in front of them. The relief of sending off a brilliant UCAS application, the joy of participating in work experience and enrichment opportunities, or the delight in receiving well-earned exam results or university and apprenticeship places.
I'm studying maths, further maths and physics for A-levels, and for all subjects we have trips and advice to look at possible university and career options. I just went to Brunel to learn about different engineering careers and attended a lecture at St. Paul's to learn about careers in energy sustainability for those studying physics. There are so many possibilities.
I've applied for medicine at university. The school helped me to get work experience in a hospital and for all of us to attend revision sessions for the pre-med admissions tests. We had weekly medicine interview practice over a couple of months through our partnership with St. Paul's Girls, just round the corner. And we had a session with Imperial College about interview skills. I've done the actual interview now and can say from experience that the prep was incredibly valuable. I've just heard I've got an offer and I can't wait to start.
I'm studying Geography, Economics and English Lit. I've applied for International Relations and Economics and I've already got 5 offers.
I'm doing maths, further maths and computer science with an extended project qualification in digital children's literature. I've applied for computer science at university. I'm really interested in cybersecurity.
After taking my A-levels at Sacred Heart, I wanted to take a year out and I came back here to work as a student mentor. I was given support from the head of sixth form to apply for Classics and English Lit at Oxford under the Opportunity Oxford programme.
So I heard this enormous scream in my office next door, and I thought something calamitous had happened, and I came running in here.
And I'd opened my envelope and saw that I got my place at Oxford, and it was just such a wonderful moment that we shared together.
We're a Catholic sixth form with a strong faith ethos. Admission preference is given to Catholic students, but we welcome applications from others and can offer such places where we have the capacity to do so. We have additional places set aside specifically for students joining us for the first time in Year 12.
I'm so glad that I stayed on here after Year 11. It's made the transition so much easier because the staff know me so well. I knew we'd get individual attention and we're treated like young women in our sixth form. Our relationship with staff is really good.
At the end of the day, I want to be happy and confident, and I want to do well in my exams and to be prepared for what comes next. If that's what you're looking for, in a beautiful setting, with kind and caring staff, and only 30 seconds away from the tube, then there's nowhere better than Sacred Heart Sixth Form.